Wow. I'm starting Animal Jam. And I already have this. Okay, what a great day. The couch has been set to bubble chat for one. What's bubble chat? Hey guys, it's me, the Fluff, your favorite Fluff. Oh man, I got it wrong again. Alright, whatever. Now then, we are here as a bubble chatted koala. So we're going to be doing random stuff. Now then, let's see. Bubble Owl chat. What's Bubble Owl chat again? Okay, I think that's not it. Blah. So then, let's see what we can do as bubble chatters. Yep. My camera wants me turned on. Okay, that's alright, but I don't care because I'm a non-member anyways, even though I'm getting a membership today by my friend Bunny something. Yeah. Bunny something. Oh, okay. Did they get paid? I'm just kidding. It's Bunny Rule. Yeah, right. She doesn't know how to spell. I forgot that. Bunny's Rule Agent. 9. This person here got 2 memberships. Like, that's so unfair. Why don't I get any? Like, I'm the rich kid out of us. I don't know, me. And, yeah, I've been going on hunts. And I haven't found any, but we live in different cities, and I haven't been in a place that she lives in. And that mall has probably more stuff. Oh, I can't go any further, okay. Oh, secret room! JULIAN2, if you're seeing this, then please reply to me. Look at that. Look at that, mate. Look at that. Woo! Sorry guys, I have to end this video. Oh my god. I have to send that to JULIAN2 SENPAI. Oops, I forgot the outro. Okay, what was it again? Oh, you're right. See you guys later in my next video. Bye-bye. It's me, the Fluff, with a new video soon after this one. I'll probably make an extra 2 this day because of this short video. I'm sorry. Bye-bye.